Pepper Peacock visits Big Bob's construction site by Sarah V. Dargan.
Oh no! Frogatha fell asleep on Big Bob's pickup truck. Up, up, up! Pepper Peacock flew to follow Big Bob's truck. He tries to keep up with the truck, but Pepper Peacock is getting tired. He sees Big Bob's truck entering Big Bob's construction site. Big Bob stopped his truck and heard a loud ribbit, ribbit. Before Big Bob can get out of his truck, Frogatha takes a giant leap. Frogatha landed on the dump truck full of sand from the loader. Frogatha is about to be buried in the sand, so she jumps from the dump truck and lands safely on the cement truck. Mix, 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 mix as the cement mixer spins the concrete. Uh-oh, Frogatha is spinning on the cement mixer. Frogatha leaped off the cement mixer onto the steamroller. Roll, roll, roll goes the steamroller as it presses the dirt to prepare for more concrete. Pepper Peacock finally caught up with Big Bob. Big Bob, have you seen Frogatha? Yes, Frogatha jumped off my truck. Pepper Peacock, get in the back of my truck and we'll go look for Frogatha. Pepper Peacock and Big Bob ride off to find Frogatha. While looking for Frogatha, they see the wheeled crane lifting a load of steel from a flatbed truck. Up, up, up goes the crane. Whee! Frogatha is having fun on the steamroller as it rolls up beside the backhoe. Rumble, rumble, rumble goes the backhoe as it moves the dirt around. Dig, dig, dig goes the excavator as it piles dirt into the dump truck. I don't see Frogatha here, Big Bob. As the workers go up, up, up on the scissor lift, Frogatha jumps from the steamroller and onto the bulldozer. Frogatha enjoyed watching the crane lift a load of wood. Up, up, up goes the wood. Vroom, vroom goes the crawler crane. Frogatha jumps from the bulldozer and lands on the forklift. Big Bob, I just saw Frogatha jump on the forklift. Big Bob, I see the forklift. The forklift goes bumpity bump, bump, bump. It's a lot bumpier than the bulldozer. The forklift begins lifting a stack of wood, so Frogatha jumps to the bobcat. Down, down, down goes the sand as the dump truck bed goes up, up, up. The bobcat stopped, so Frogatha jumps on the wheel loader that is being transported by the flatbed truck. The flatbed truck has a heavy load. The Oh no, Big Bob, Frogatha is leaving the job site on the flatbed truck. I'll drive beside the flatbed truck so Frogatha can jump on my truck. Frogatha wasn't sure what to do. Just then, Frogatha saw Big Bob's truck come by. Frogatha jumps toward the truck. Frogatha lands safely on Big Bob's truck. As they were leaving, Big Bob waves goodbye to the construction workers. See you tomorrow. The end. The end.
Find more books with Pepper Peacock and Friends on Amazon or contact your local bookseller. Pepper Peacock saves the tree frogs, and Pepper Peacock learns the ABCs. Thank you for listening.